Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to make an intro, so I just kind of jumped right into it. So I just wanted to get on here and say thank you guys for watching, and let's get started. We're going to start decorating for Valentine's.
You can come on over if you want to. We can watch some TV, watch some Netflix if you want. You can come on over if you want to. We can do whatever we want to, baby. I've been missing you like crazy lately, but I don't think you feel the same thing, baby. Well, maybe you do, 'cause you love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. You're cold, you switch so fast. Love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. You're cold, you switch so fast. I could come on over if you'd want to. We could cook some dinner, light some candles if you want to. Maybe I'm coming on too strong. Maybe this is too much, maybe all of this is wrong. Baby, I've been missing you like crazy lately, but I don't think you feel the same thing, baby. Well, maybe you do. I don't have a clue, 'cause you love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. You're cold, you switch so fast. Love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. You're cold, you switch so fast. Baby, I've been missing you like crazy lately, but I don't think you feel the same thing, baby. Well, maybe you do. I don't have a clue, 'cause you love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. You're cold, you switch so fast. Love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. You're cold, you switch so fast. Love me like the seasons change. You're hotter than July. You're cold, you switch so fast. Love me like the seasons.
I have my Valentine's, my red truck, this love sign, and then this little love shack that I got from Walmart. So cute. I wish they would have brought back more. And then my little entryway table, the little stacked books, with the little heart. I moved that from in here. There's the little True Love Never Ends. Got the little beaded garland. I need to put the lights in there, but I need to get a battery. So, there we go. And then the love banner. Got that from Hobby Lobby last year, I believe. I made that bow. Love, I think this is a Kirkland's purchase last year. Yeah, Kirkland's. Retail for $12.99, but I know I probably did a sale on it. I left this little stack books. I'm gonna have to purchase more. Okay, so now we're gonna move into my dining area. You saw that I did the flowers, but I had these little picks that I put in. So I have this one, and then I have another one. It's hiding, there it is. That little pick. So those little picks are in the flowers with my runner. I think the runner is also from Hobby Lobby last year or the year before. Right now that's what that's looking like, but it may change. I forgot that I had made these last year. So these are gonna go over here also. Okay, I have completed my decorating for what I have. Here's the runner, the centerpiece. I did change this. I had that really cute wood sign. I think I got it from either Walmart or Hobby Lobby last year, and I don't want to put it outside so it can get ruined. So that is what that little piece looks like. And then this I just left pretty plain. My red trucks that pretty much always stay out. That little sign that I had made last year. I believe it was last year. So I did put the lights from Dollar Tree, and they're actually really nice. The only thing is it's not enough to go around the whole tier. So, but they actually light up really nicely. So really like those for $1. Can't beat that. I did change this around because I used the heart in the bathroom. And then my trucks are there with the sign. Another place I decorate is in my bathroom. So just a little couple of pieces in here. I have a Valentine's hand towel that I got from TJ Maxx either last year or the year before. And then these flowers, the ball jar and the roses are actually Dollar Tree purchases. The ribbon, I'm not quite sure. I've had the ribbon for a while. This was my new purchase from Hobby Lobby yesterday. So that's all that's in the bathroom. I did move this out of the dining room into my living room. This is the little table that we have our little winter gear and masks. So I just put this little heart there. I decorated this little tray. Normally we keep napkins and salt and pepper, but it has a candle, and a candle. So I moved the napkin holder off so I could put this little love sign. And then these flowers I've had, I think I got those from Michael's. And then just a couple more pieces. I have this little red heart that I put in that wreath. This wreath pretty much stays up all year round, and I just interchange what goes inside of it. So yeah. And then that little Happy Valentine's Day, that's from Michael's. I believe I got that several years ago after Valentine's. And then the last thing is this Let's Get Cookin' Good Lookin' that I put above my stove. Look, real life, I gotta clean. I gotta clean, but I gotta wait till my daughter gets home so I can start cleaning. And then this little wreath I had made with a bunch of ribbon. And it's a heart shape, but it never looks like a heart shape. So this little guy goes perfectly inside of it to make it a Valentine's wreath. So that is when you come in through the door. And outside, I just have a few things. Actually, I just have one thing right now. I put my little welcome out, but I have a Valentine's mat that I need to. But that kind of applies. It says Home Sweet Home with the heart. But I have a Valentine's mat I have to put out. But that's it. I mean, I have to clean. I really need to clean house. I gotta clean my floors. Like I said, Wednesday. This came from the tiered tray because I had all that stuff in the tiered tray that I need to find a home for. And then my little green truck needs a home for the season. So hope you enjoyed this. I think I was a little all over the place, but I was gonna clean and decorate, but that's just so much. And the people that do that, more power to you, because that's a lot. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.